Ever since Canonical released the new Ubuntu LTS, many popular distributions are preparing to use Ubuntu 24.04 as their base operating system. System 76 is among them, planning to release the much-awaited Pop! OS 24.04 with the all-new Cosmic Desktop very soon. Pop! OS 24.04 will be based on Ubuntu 24.04, inheriting many of the foundational improvements that the Ubuntu developers have integrated. The main highlight of Pop! OS 24.04 is the new Cosmic Desktop. This is a brand new desktop environment written in Rust, designed for Pop! OS and other Linux distributions. It's an independent desktop environment similar to GNOME and KDE Plasma, offering a unique experience for the Linux users. System 76 unveiled the official Cosmic branding for its new desktop last month, initially indicating that a first alpha release was expected in late July, but it has since been postponed to August 8. Now, as of now, an early look at the Cosmic Desktop pre-alpha build named Cosmic Epoch is available for testing with Pop! OS 22.04. I have installed it on my laptop, so let's take a quick glance at the Cosmic Desktop. The desktop is minimalistic, featuring a top panel and a bottom dock. The top panel includes applets such as Workspace Indicator, Application Menu, and System Toggles. The application menu displays all installed applications organized into groups and allows you to create your own groups. The Workspace switcher enables quick navigation between workspaces, providing either a vertical or horizontal overview of each workspace and its applications. In the center of the top panel is a date and time applet, while the right side houses system controls for sound, Wi-Fi, battery, notifications, and a power controls. One of the main highlights of the Cosmic Desktop is its customization options. The Settings application allows you to adjust window controls, panels, and applets. You can also add applets to the top or the bottom panel, change panel sizes, and select system wallpapers. The appearance settings enable you to change accent colors and switch between light and dark modes. Additionally, you can also adjust workspace orientation, input device behavior, and manage displays, sound, system settings, accounts, and much more. Cosmic Desktop introduces brand new applications built in Rust, including a file manager, Cosmic Terminal, Cosmic App Store, and Cosmic Text Editor. Also, pressing the print screen button on your keyboard brings up a new screenshot UI similar to GNOME's that allows for taking screenshots and screen recordings. Now, as of now, Cosmic Desktop is still under development and has many bugs. The main Cosmic Compositor consumes less RAM and CPU. Now, in summary, the upcoming Pop! OS 24.04 with Cosmic Desktop looks promising. It seems poised to be significant development for Linux users, but the excitement and the goodwill within the Linux community for this effort are remarkable. Now, thanks to System76 for their efforts in creating a brand new desktop environment, core applications, and bootstrapping ecosystem for community developers to add more value. Let's wait until August 8th to witness the first ever alpha build. Now keep in mind, this build is intended for testers to provide feedback and contribute to the Cosmic project. You can support System76 by trying out the alpha build. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pop! OS 24.04 with Cosmic Desktop? Let me know how excited you are in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.